Hello BrainSprouts. Today we are solving word problems using multiplication and division. By the end, you will be able to solve them confidently. Multiplication helps us when we have groups of the same size. Example 1. There are 5 baskets. Each basket has 4 apples. How many apples are there in total? 5 times 4 equals 20 apples. Example 2. A teacher has 6 rows of chairs. Each row has 8 chairs. How many chairs are there altogether? 6 times 8 equals 48 chairs. Example 3. A baker makes 12 cookies every day. How many cookies will he make in 7 days? 12 times 7 equals 84 cookies. Division is used when we want to share or group things equally. Example 1. There are 24 candies. 6 friends share them equally. How many candies does each friend get? 24 divided by 6 equals 4 candies each. Example 2. A farmer has 40 eggs. He puts them into boxes of 10 eggs each. How many boxes does he need? 40 divided by 10 equals 4 boxes. Example 3. A bus has 56 passengers. Each row has 8 seats. How many rows are filled? 56 divided by 8 equals 7 rows. Now let us try one that uses both multiplication and division. A school has 5 classes. Each class has 20 students. The students are divided into groups of 4. How many groups are there in total? Step 1. 5 times 20 equals 100 students. Step 2. 100 divided by 4 equals 25 groups. Assignment. Now it is your turn. Try these questions. A shop sells 9 pencils in a pack. How many pencils are in 6 packs? There are 45 students. If each bus can take 15 students, how many buses are needed? A farmer has 8 baskets of oranges. Each basket has 25 oranges. If he shares them equally among 10 children, how many oranges does each child get? Well done today. You learned multiplication word problems, division word problems, and one that uses both. Keep practicing, and you will become a master of word problems. Join us again on BrainSprouts for more simple and fun math lessons. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a BrainSprouts adventure.